Installing the frame battery. Be sure to remove the power pack before starting work to prevent the accidental activation or short-circuiting of the Bosch e-bike system. These spare parts and special tools will be required. Insert the connector in the adapter. Place the sections of the holder around the plug and click them into place. Use a Torx T15 wrench to secure the holder with a tightening torque of 2 Nm. Now install the drive unit. See the drive unit installation video. Next, insert the power pack. Now check all display and riding functions and take a test ride.